Okay, so we're here in Maribyrnong Park and came across this bike repair station. It's got a pump, 2 heads, shredder, Presta. The actual pump is here and it's got a gauge. It's got a pressure gauge. So you don't have to guess what your pressure is, you can pump until whatever pressure you need. Then it's got a Phillips screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, Allen keys, 2 huge ones, a bunch of small ones, and they're all on the retractable wire. So your bike doesn't have to be right next to it. You've even got a pedal spanner. I actually don't know what this is. A bunch of smaller wrenches, Allen key, good size, good handle, and 2 tire levers, one here and one on the other side. And they've even got a, I think that's for the wheel, for you to through the wheel or something. Alright.